What's up guys, it's Mike back with another unboxing. Today I'm pretty hyped up because my AirTags came in, I want to say 2 days earlier from when they were even supposed to ship, because when I pre-ordered off of Best Buy, they told me they would ship by the 30th. They ended up shipping Sunday, I want to say. I can't remember for sure, but they came here Wednesday. Today's Thursday, so I figured I'd do now an unboxing since I have a little bit of time to actually look at these things. I went with a 4-pack because you can get 1 for $30 or 4 for $100 pretty much. So with the 4-pack you save about $20 rather than buying 4 separately, and I knew that I wanted more than one anyway, so I just went ahead and got this. I did get a leather keychain, but it will not be here till next week unfortunately, so don't really have any way to actually put these onto anything yet. So we'll take a look at what comes inside the box. Then we'll actually take a look at one of these things themselves, set it up and everything. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now that we've seen what comes inside the box, we're gonna take a look at the actual AirTag itself, which is just this little, again, like white puck right there. On the back you have that like aluminum look, which you can see their fingerprints all over. I assume you can see that. But yeah, it's a fingerprint magnet. This little piece though encases the battery. To open that up, it's like a child lock. You kind of have to press in, turn a little bit, and then it reveals your, this isn't falling out like I thought it would be, but it's like a CRV20, a little remote style battery, like almost something you'd find in like your car key fob. To get them back on though, or once the battery's back on, you'll hear the little ding to let you know that it's on, because there's no type of LED or indicator light showing that it's on or off. I assume once this thing dies, and I believe a year is what they said it would last, it'll notify you on the phone to let you know, and then you can just replace the battery, which I did think was cool. I wouldn't have minded maybe a charger, but then again it might have been a little bit thicker, because this is probably about the size of a quarter. It is pretty thick, and then on top of that you do have like the bulge from the actual battery door itself right there. So these things are IP67 water resistant, so you can submerge them, I think, for like maybe a little bit of time, but of course I wouldn't recommend doing that. But you're fine taking these out in the rain, or should be. You shouldn't have to worry. I don't know how rugged they're gonna be. I assume once I actually attach these to the keys that this little aluminum part is gonna get scratched all to hell. Again, fingerprints already. It's gonna be a magnet, but I probably won't stare at this every day, so it's not gonna bother me. And then you do have this plastic white side that shouldn't, I assume will actually probably will get dirty. But again, that's not too big of a deal, because again, it'll be in a little leather thing, and the point isn't to look great, it's to find. And as long as it's able to do what it's supposed to and help me find my lost keys, then I will have no complaints. But let's go ahead and set this thing up and take a look at the Find My app and see what it has to offer. Okay, after this thing is set up, we're now going to take a look at the Find My app. On here, like, it'll show where your keys are, and so like right there are my keys. Once you press on that, it'll tell you your keys, your address, which I'm not going to show. Once you press on your keys, you have the ability to enable the lost mode, which kind of lets you set your number, a little message, which mine just says like, if lost please call, so it'll have my name and number, so if somebody else picks this thing up, they can tab it to the top of their phone, and then my name and number will come up, and then they can call me, hopefully, as long as they're not trying to steal it. The one big thing that I did notice right now on the app, and I don't know if it's happening to other people, there is no find button. I've noticed on other people's, especially the ones who got them early, the bigger YouTubers, I believe they had a find button up there, which is supposed to do that precision tracking where it like has a little arrow, tells you where to go. I think it says like warmer, colder. This does not have that. I don't know how to enable that. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below. But you have lost mode enabled, which I have. You do have notifications. Not sure what that's for either, because I can't turn that on or anything. But then up top you do still get directions and the sound, which we'll play that real quick. And it's pretty loud. Okay, and then when I press directions, it just goes into my map, and it'll, again, we're not gonna show that because I'm not giving my address away, but I would really like to know how to find that precision tracking, because I thought that was really cool, and it kind of sucks that it's not here. On the bottom though, you can rename the item, and then you can remove the item if you don't want to use this anymore. It looks pretty simple to delete. That's pretty much it for today. Once I get that leather strap, I'll probably make a second video. I'll probably use that for like a day or two though first, and then I'll do a second video updated on how this actually works though out in real life, because right now, yes, this is on, but there's not much I can do with this right now because I've got nowhere to attach it. I could put it in a bag, but I don't carry a bag right now as much as I used to, so wouldn't do me much good. So yeah, once I get the little key ring so I can start using this and carrying it around, I'll come back, make a video, and let you guys know how it is. But again, if you guys know what's wrong or why I can't do that find thing, because I kind of wanted to show that off and I wanted to mess with it myself, please let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.